Hey guys, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to show you guys how to better use SEO ranking. Specifically for today, we're going to show you guys how you can start deleting projects that you may no longer be wanting to access or analyze so that you can basically save up more space on your account, or maybe even give up so that you can start on a different project entirely. So right now we're just on the main website. We're just going to access our projects from the upper right corner over here beside the logout button. So just hit projects. And from here you will be brought to the projects page. Now this is where a summary of all your projects will be left. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you're going to see a whole list of them. Now we have two main ways on how we can start deleting projects. One way is to first select the corresponding, let's say in this case, corresponding project that we want to delete. Maybe we want to delete the second one because clearly we didn't really optimize this one that well. We didn't really add in any features. So we're just going to select it through the square button on the left side. Select this. 3 buttons will appear right above where you can basically either add this project to a folder group, you can update the rankings, or, for this video's purpose, delete the project. You just have to click this, and from here you would just have to delete it. Just note that regardless of what method you're using, none of the information that you will be deleting will be recoverable, so please be sure before you do this action. Next, another way to delete, let's just uncheck this for a bit. So another way to delete your project is to first hover your mouse over the corresponding project, and as you can see, you'll see 2 buttons appearing right beside the name of the website on the first column. The first one will be at rankings, and the second one will be a 3-dot button. If you were to click this, a drop-down menu will appear, and at the bottom, you're going to see that there is a delete option. All you gotta do is click this, then hit delete, and everything will be gone. So the page may have to reload because it currently has all of the information included on your average position for all your active websites. But nonetheless, once you head back down, you'll see that the project is actually and completely fully deleted, which is great. So that's all we really have to say about this. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analysis you might be doing, especially since you don't want to have too many projects at hand. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you need more help when it comes to SEO rankings, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!